Cruella de Vil.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. But before saying anything else, please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the previous videos. Okay, I'll be here waiting for you. Alright, I think you're done. So, I know how much you like cartoons characters, so I decided to do another one. But only God knows how much I hated this woman when I was a child, and I still do. But I like how fashionable she is, so I decided to do her makeup. So here you are, the Cruella. I'm sure you remember her from 101 Dalmatians. Yeah, she wasn't a lovely character, but I like to do the makeup. So let's not waste the time and do it. So like always, I will start with my moisturizer. I'm sure you do it too, huh? It's time for foundation because Cruella has a lovely makeup, so we need this foundation. Now we specify her face on our face with a black pencil to know that which part we're going to work on. Okay, yeah, it has some mess here, so I'm gonna clean it with the foundation for the inside parts. And for the outside, for this part, I use white color and here black color, so it's fine. She has some circle green earrings here, so first I draw that and then I paint the white and black color. Now we have to work on the eyes and eyeshadows. You know, she has kind of big eyes, so it has this kind of shape. Her eyeshadow is kind of, light green, so I use this green with this white. So I probably use this yellow for the middle part of my eyelid because I want it to look better and more beautiful. So as you see, my eyebrow is really obvious and I don't like it, so probably I'll use foundation before I paint on it like this. See, it's better. So I remove this color and probably remake it. Now you can't see it actually. It's much better. Alright, so till they dry, I work on the lips. Alright, so for the lips we need a red lipstick, and look at this, these parts are lips, so they should be red. but the middle parts are actually the teeth. Okay, so again we need to specify our lines again, the lips lines.
Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay caught us so.
Okay, now we have to work on it later because we have to let it dry. Now I prefer to work on the eyes and eyebrows, and then we're gonna go back again on the lips and work on it more.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time.
And for making it more natural, I'll prefer to use some eyeshadows, probably dark and light green.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. We'll stay out till morning and head out exploring. Make up for moms that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling home to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
So finally we can work on our eyebrows.
I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
These are our lovely eyebrows, but I should clean it a little bit, like for example this part or under it, and above our eyes and a little bit under our eyebrows should be contoured. So let's do it.
I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait?
Alright, so it's time for the nose.
Days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
She's got a teeny tiny nose, so for making it look smaller we have to contour this part.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
Am I the only one who thinks it's like a pig nose? I want my nose to look like this, so I have to highlight this part and again contour this part.
This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed.
I want these parts beside my nose to be very dark, so probably contour isn't enough, so I use some dark brown eyeshadows.
You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days.
Alright guys, so we're done with the nose. We finally am satisfied with something in this makeup. Now, there are only some little details that we have to work on, like for example, under our eyebrows should be white, or our cheeks should be a little bit white, or for example, we should work on the teeth. And I think we're gonna be done. Again, above my eyes have some shadow, so I do it with a contour. Now we have to draw some eyelashes here, and again contour under our eyes. I almost forgot about the earrings, so let's do the earrings. Obviously it's time to work on the lips, but as I hate it so much, so I prefer to work on the neck. We have to draw a tiny neck here. So I use foundation for this part, I mean the neck, and here I painted like, you know, some kind of gray or maybe even black. Honestly, I don't like this neck. I mean, I like it till here, but I don't like this part. So probably I use a scarf instead, you know, like this. It looks better. And I use a scarf with a coat. So now we have to work on the lips, unfortunately. So about the mouth, we're actually done with it, but we should work on the teeth and this part, make it like we're smiling. Alright, so I'm gonna contour a little bit here and then again dry it. And finally we're gonna be, oh yeah, and work on the earrings again. And finally we're gonna be done after I think 6 or 7 hours working on it.
Far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to.
Well, at first I didn't like it, but now I'm so into this makeup. So I'm gonna go get dressed and probably come back with my false eyelashes. And this is the first time I'm using this thing, so wish me luck. Alright, so these are my false eyelashes. Now we look more like Cruella, but I'm not sure if I stick it well, but it's satisfying. Okay, and I wear a coat with my gloves. But first of all, I have to, I made some handmade hair, and I'm gonna stick them to my face and hair. Okay, I couldn't stick them on my own, so I got a letter here from my mom, and I love it. Alright guys, so this is our Cruella makeup, and I love it so much. So tell me, how do you like it in the comments? And I've been working on about, I think, 8 to 9 hours, so I'm starving and so tired. So you know what cheers me up? Your likes, your comments, and your share. So please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video and like the past previous videos, and also comment. That's the thing I want from you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you then. Bye bye.